Ladada lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I am super duper duper excited for this video because it involves Disney. As you can see, I have my black Santa hat on today, which is very festive. Well, depends on who you're talking to. Some people would say a black Santa hat isn't festive, but as long as it doesn't say bah humbug on it, I think it still counts. Anyway, what we are doing today is we are opening up the entirety of a Disney Storybook advent calendar. I'm so keen for this. I can't actually remember when I ordered this, but it didn't take all that long to get here. But when I ordered it, I did not think it would be as magnificent as it is. Are you guys ready for the big reveal? Dun 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 dun! Look how big and beautiful it is, oh my god. There's a ribbon here. I thought about being cheeky and undoing it and retying it, but I didn't. I really wanted to though because I'm so excited to look inside of this. I won't lie, I may have peeked a little, but I didn't open it properly. So as you can see, it's freaking awesome. I got this off of Amazon for $20. As I go through and I show you guys each of the little storybooks, I will put a close-up on the screen so that you guys can see properly. But look how pretty it is. You can get ones that aren't just princess ones as well, so they're good for both young boys and young girls that love their Disney. So I got the princess one for obvious reasons. I do love my Disney princesses, in case you guys couldn't tell. Let's open this ribbon and have a look inside. Ready? Ta-da! Oh my gosh, it's beautiful! Oh! So happy. Oh man, I would have died for this as a kid. I die for it now. Can you imagine how much I enjoyed as a kid? Jeez Louise. Love that they're out of order. That's always a lot more... Ow! That was not a comfortable feeling. That's always a lot more fun. Anyway, now that you can have a decent look at the entirety of the calendar, I'm going to put it down here as we go through. Number one, here. Let's go! Day number one. We're starting with the Little Mermaid. Heck yeah, we are! The tambourine dance. That is too cute. So Ariel's gonna dance for the first time. That's too cute. I can't wait to read all of these. I'm actually going to put them back in and read one a day. We're already into December, so I'll read the first few straight up. But as we go along, I will get them out again and read them. So super excited about that. Number two. Where you at? Where's number two? Can I do this upside down? There. Princess and the Frog. Tiana dreams of owning her own restaurant one day, but when a magical kiss transforms her into a frog, she finds herself swept into a world of magic and adventure. So this one isn't a different tale. This is obviously actually based off of the movie in a nice little book. I like that. That's cool. Okay, I'm not going to keep lifting this up. I'm going to leave it open next to me now so I can actually just look at it and grab them as we go. Number three, down the bottom left. What do we got now? Honor for Father. It's nearly time for the tournament of the Imperial Courts, and Mulan decides to enter to win the prize scroll for her father. Will Mulan make her father proud? Awesome. Number four. I can't get over how beautiful that is. Oh, Cinderella. Just the classic tale of Cinderella. Again, not a different story or anything like that. Cinderella lives as a servant girl but dreams of something more. When all the ladies in the kingdom are invited to a royal ball, can Cinderella's fairy godmother help her find her prince? Love. Oh, these are just so gorgeous. I'm so happy. Okay, number five. Belle's Flight. So this is a Beauty and the Beast one. Belle and her father Maurice are on their way to Paris when they stop at an inn for the night. There, Belle makes a new friend who has an exciting mode of transport, a hot air balloon. When disaster strikes, will Belle still make it to Paris? Awesome. Next. 6. Come on. Out you come. Sleeping Beauty, just the classic tale for that one. Cursed as a baby by the wicked fairy Maleficent, Princess Aurora is hidden far away from the palace and cared for by 3 good fairies. Can they protect her forever, or will Maleficent's spell come true? Yeah. Number 7. Where are you? Top left. Right in front of my face. Okay. Aladdin. So again, just a classic story. I like that they have some with like different side stories and some that are just the classic ones. I think that's cute. We've got Jasmine on the front of this one, of course, because it is a Disney princess calendar. Jasmine has always wanted to explore outside the walls of the palace. Then she meets Aladdin and together they discover a whole new world. Neat. Okay, number 8. My mum's favourite number. A Day with Moana. When Moana and a group of children from the village go to the sugarcane fields, Moana teaches them to find their way using waypoints. But during a game of hide and seek, Moana cannot find one of the children. Will they find him before the sun goes down? Ba-ba. If you guys can hear any clanging and banging, blame Braden. He's cooking, so can't really blame him. He's making some curry, which is awesome. Love his curry. What do we got? Ooh, an amazing team. So this is what, the first of a double up, because we've already had well, it's not really a double up, it's just also Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast. The Sleeping Beauty based. Okay. An amazing team. With Prince Philip away, Aurora and Samson decide to team up and take part in the royal jousting tournament. But with only a few days to practice, will Aurora and Samson be ready in time? Very nice. That was 9. We're up to number 10. Tiana's growing experiment. Cute. When Tiana needs ghost peppers for a new recipe, she manages to get hold of some seeds. But having never grown plants before, Tiana isn't sure where to start. Will Tiana be able to master gardening to grow the perfect peppers? That was what? That was 10. Now we're on 11. Nearly halfway there. Oh. Okay, I wasn't ready for that. Snow White and not the 7 dwarves. Snow White and the 3 giants. When Snow White gets lost in the forest, she finds a cottage and calls in for help. Snow suddenly discovers the residents are very large. Will the giants be friendly and help her get home? I love that. So it's like a twist, whereas it's not like the 7 dwarves, it's giants. That's cool. Where were we? 12. Now we're halfway. Phew. What do they have at the halfway point is the real question. The Princess Polo Games. Amazing. When Jasmine is chosen to be a team captain in the Princess Polo Club's tournament, she's determined to win the golden trophy. Sorry guys, my camera cut out for a second there. Not sure whether or not you saw, but I just pulled number 13. Mulan. Just a classic story. When China is invaded, Mulan disguises herself as a soldier to serve in place of her father. As the threat gets closer, Mulan discovers that there may be more to her mission than she thought. 14. There it is. Out you come. The Little Mermaid. I'm fine. Ariel dreams of walking among the humans and being with her one true love, Prince Eric. But when the evil sea witch Ursula offers to help, Ariel defies her father and risks everything to be with the man she loves. Under the shoe. What number was that? Yes, that was 14. We're on the 15. Okie dokie. Moana. Free-spirited Moana is destined to become chief of her village. When a mysterious darkness threatens her island, she sails away on an adventure to save her people. Awesome. Awesome. We love Moana. 16. My lucky number is 18, by the way, in case anyone wants to know, because I am born on the 18th of July. Ooh, yes. Tangled. Love Tangled. Tangled is beautiful. Rapunzel, a feisty young woman with long magical hair, has been locked away in a tower her whole life. When a handsome stranger arrives, she has an adventure that reveals the shocking truth about who she really is. I wonder who she is. 17. The Beauty of Mistakes. Interesting. They have 2 tangled ones in a row. So this one says, keen to take part in royal duties, Rapunzel decides to put her artistic talent to good use and hold an art class for children. But will the class go exactly as planned? I find that funny that they put 2 tangled ones in a row, but you know what? That's fine. Number 18. This is my lucky one. You know what? I'm going to take a random guess, completely random. I'm going to say that this is Beauty and the Beast. I don't know why. I just have a hunch. Beauty and the Beast, like the original story. Let's see how we go. No, completely wrong. That's alright. It's called Opening Night. It's a Cinderella one. When Cinderella still lived under the charge of Lady Tremaine, her stepmother hosted an evening that offered singing lessons to girls. There, Cinderella was struck by the talent of one of the girls, Corinne. Now a princess with Cinderella, and Corinne's path cross again. Interesting. So Cinderella for me, we got 19 now. I reckon 19 was probably one of my favourite ages that I've been. Random fact. The Winter Journey, Pocahontas. Yes, thank you. When Pocahontas and her village arrive at their winter camp, Pocahontas goes to look for wood. While searching, she finds a lost deer wandering alone in the forest. Will Pocahontas be able to reunite the deer with its family? That's very cute. Oh, look at the little deer. Bless. 20. The age that I always still think I am, even though you've got to add 3. Awkward. Pocahontas. 2 Pocahontas ones in a row as well. Okay. When settlers arrive on the island she loves, Pocahontas finds herself torn between her family and an Englishman. But as tensions begin to rise, Pocahontas must decide which path to take. Woo! 21. 21. When you can start drinking in America, but not here. We 18. Merida's Challenge. Determined to prove their bravery, Harris, Hubert, and Hamish decide to climb the tallest mountain around, the Crone's Truth. But when Hamish finds himself in trouble, Merida must come to rescue and save her little brother. That's very cute. I was going to say, this sounds like her brother's book, not Merida, but then of course when she comes to the rescue, that makes it her time to shine. Number 22, my sister's birthday, and I think her lucky number's 2. Let's go. Oh, you get Brave. Brave! Merida is a free-spirited princess in search of adventure, but when her mother wants her to marry, the rebellious redhead defies. Oh, I love that. The rebellious redhead defies a sacred tradition and accidentally unleashes a curse. Love that. That's funny. Love the alliteration. 23! This is our second last book, guys. This is me. I don't want it to come to an end. Okay, this is gonna be what? We haven't had Frozen yet, and I think I can see a bit of blue, so maybe that's what it is. Let's have a look. Oh wait, Beauty and the Beast. At least, if I thought that it was going to be on the 18th, that was my guess for my one, but you know what? It's on my age instead, so close enough if you ask me. Belle dreams of adventure, but when she finds herself imprisoned in an enchanted castle with a terrifying beast, only love can break the spell. Ugh, I love Beauty and the Beast. It's one of my favourite Disney movies. We had that on video when I was a kid. Yes, that's right, I'm the age that we had videos. Oh my gosh, it is the last one! The last one! I almost don't want to open it because then it's over. Okay, okay. You can do it. Let's go. Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs. It had to be. We've already had the 3 giants. We needed the original. I'm so confused that there is no Frozen in here. That is, I'm kind of a little bit impressed almost. Like, I love Frozen, but it's just everywhere. I honestly thought if anything it would overtake it rather than not be in there at all. And obviously it's not like too dated because Moana came out after Frozen and Moana was in there. Anyway, cool. Snow White is the one we're ending on, which I kind of love considering that is like the original classic movie, not even just the original Disney princess one, but the original of all the originals, the first full-length animated picture, in case anyone didn't know that. When Snow White is taken in by the 7 dwarfs, she thinks she is safe from her wicked stepmother, but the jealous queen will stop at nothing to be the fairest in the land. Will Snow White be saved and live happily ever after? Well, there you go. Final book. Let's have a look at our little haul, hey? Yay! Okay. Here's the haul. Ta-da! All of the books. Can we spread them out a little bit? There you go. I'm going to show you guys a close-up anyway, so We'll see that in a second, but yeah, I'm pretty happy. $20 for 24 cute little books, so what, less than $1 a book, which is not too bad. I think that they're really nice. They've got like nice glossy finishes to them. They feel good. They don't feel like really crappy, for lack of a better word, which is nice. And they smell like books. We like the smell of books. New books, old books, books. Ta-da! That's it. That's them all together. I've got to say, I love how they all look just on the floor, all together like that. So beautiful. Sorry about any glare that you're getting from the light above, but we'll go have a better look now. We've got Moana. I've just put the excess tails to the originals, like above each of them. So got Moana, and we've got her story. Then there's Belle, Beauty and the Beast. So yeah, that's just kind of how I've laid them out, so you can kind of have a good look. There you go. That's all of them. But yeah, overall, I think they are a great little set. Definitely looking forward to putting these with all of my other Disney collectible stuff. So I'm definitely stoked. Well, that is all from me today, lovelies. I really hope that you enjoyed seeing this advent calendar. I'm sorry that this video has come out in December and not November, but if you do want to buy one, they are still on Amazon, so go ahead and feel the Disney magic. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Angela. I don't need to tell you how YouTube works. You can subscribe down below if you feel like it, and ding the notification bell to be told when I bring out a new video. Otherwise, that is all from me today, guys. I hope that each and every one of you has an absolutely wonderful, gorgeous, beautiful, marvelous, festive, magical day, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Ladada, love ya!